Hey everyone, Harrison here from Up360. Today we're going to be doing another walkthrough video. This one's a little bit of a throwback. This is a project from a couple of years ago. It's a project that was actually funded in part by eCampus Ontario. It was created with a consortium of college partners, including partners like Mohawk College, St. Clair College, and Conestoga College, basically any of the Ontario colleges that offer power engineering programs. We worked with the college system to build a power engineering simulator. The first version of this was just a simple offline version. The second version, the one that I'm going to be showing you today, is a little bit more advanced and actually enables multiplayer capabilities as well. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into it. As always, I am using my Oculus Quest Pro headset and we're going to be launching from the ILP. My space is already set up. My controllers are charged. And like I mentioned before, this simulation has a couple of different modes. So it's got a single player, it's got a multiplayer, and for anyone who has been to Mohawk College before, you'll notice that this facility looks awfully familiar, and that's because a good portion of this is modeled off of one of the engineering facilities they have over there. There's three different scenarios. So there's a fire tube, natural gas, a fire tube, fuel oil, and a fire tube shutdown. So 2 startups and 1 shutdown procedure. There's a learn mode where you actually get detailed instructions, and then there's a practice/assessment mode where you can get some hints, but it's ultimately going to be scoring you. Oh, and then there's also the ability to add a bunch of different conditions. So this one, the expectation is that you would have some understanding of what you're doing. So I'm looking for a portable water valve, and I need to make sure that it is open. So this simulation is also built for PC-based VR. So that's why everything has such great quality lighting and visuals, probably a lot better than what you'd see in like VR video games, just because we wanted to make this one as realistic as possible. This simulation was really tricky because making valves in VR is surprisingly harder than it looks. Everybody wants to grab them this way, but in VR it's a lot easier to just grab them and twist them like that. Being a power engineer, just remembering what all the valves and levers do. That one now, eh? That one's gonna go like that. Oh, okay, something's happening there. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Okay. It's all good. All right, there it is. Uh-oh. We've got a gas leak. I gotta find the gas leak. I'm guessing it's coming out of here somewhere. This big line that says natural gas. Let's just be in here. All right, well, that was easy. I'd expect there to be a lot bigger consequences in real life if you don't turn the right valve. We didn't simulate anything to like blow up if you turn the wrong valve at the wrong time though. Okay, I think that's it. Now I have to make an entry into my logbook. And you technically can do this as an assessment, but again, I was in like a learn mode, so I got all the steps basically told to. If you like turning levers and valves, you will like to be a power engineer. I'm sure as a real power engineer, there's a lot more to it, but this was really just about procedural stuff. So knowing what levers and dials to turn and what all of this crazy different equipment that most people will never get to see in their life actually does. So that was power engineering, at least a piece of it. There's a lot more to it than just this one little sliver. It's really meant to be like a practice lab tool. It's meant to be like a assessment tool before students go into labs. But ultimately, this is a facility in virtual reality that mirrors the real thing. So if anybody out there has a power engineering facility they would like to duplicate in VR, you know who to call.